Dear students, today I am going to discuss one question in chemistry. The question is, find how many grams of zinc must be dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid HCl to produce 300 cubic centimeter of hydrogen H2 at 27 degrees Celsius and 700 millimeter pressure. The solution is, the initial temperature equals to P1, that is equals to 700 millimeter. Initial volume equals to V1, that is 300 cm cubed. Initial temperature is T1, that is 27 degrees Celsius. We have to convert into Kelvin, and so 273 we will add. So 273 plus 27 equals to 300 Kelvin. Now final pressure P2 is 760 millimeter of mercury column, and final volume is equals to V2, that we have to find out. Final temperature is T2, that is 0 degree Celsius, and that is 273 degree Kelvin. Now by using the combined gas equation, we know that P1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. This implies, and V2 we have to find out. So this 2 we are writing left side by crisscross multiplication. So P2 V2 T1 equals to P1 V1 T2. And therefore V2 equals to P1 V1 T2 by P2 T1. Now we are putting the value. P1 value we have 700 into V1 value 300, T2 value 273 by P2 value 760, T1 value 300. Now this 300 cancelled, 0 cancelled, then we are left with this 70 and 273. We are multiplying, then we get 19110 by 76. And by dividing we get 251.5 cubic centimeter. So this is the final volume. And now we have to find out, because the question is telling how many grams of zinc must be dissolved. So here the reaction is zinc plus 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid gives 1 molecule of zinc chloride and 1 molecule of hydrogen. So zinc molecular mass is 65, and here hydrogen at STP or NTP volume, one volume is 22.4 liter. That is, we are converting into cm cubed. So 1 liter is 1000 cm cubed, cubic centimeter. So by multiplying we get 22,400 cubic centimeter. So since 22,400 cubic centimeter of S2 hydrogen at NTP is obtained from 65 gram of zinc, therefore 1 cubic centimeter will be obtained from 65 by 22,400 gram of zinc, and therefore 251.5 cm cubed that we have got here will be obtained from 65 into 251.5 by 22,400, and by multiplying these two we get 16,347.5 by 22,400, and that is by dividing we get 0.725 gram of zinc. This so much of zinc must be dissolved. Yes, to produce this so much of hydrogen at this so much. So in this way we are calculating by using combined gas equation. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.